Welcome to Hungry AF. I'm Jen Fast, and today we're making the easiest, coziest tomato and basil soup right in the cooking blender. You only need a few ingredients for this recipe: 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/3 cup of your favorite broth. Use beef broth for the deepest flavor. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, half a small onion cut into large chunks, and 1 or 2 Roma tomatoes are optional. Toss everything right into your cooking blender. Make sure the lid is locked in place. Then just hit the soup function and let it do the rest of your work for you. Let's talk about why I'm obsessed with cooking blenders, especially when it comes to making soups like this. First, this isn't just your average blender. A cooking blender actually heats and blends at the same time, so you can toss in your ingredients, set it, and walk away. No more babysitting a pot on the stove, no more extra dishes. Just one pitcher, one button, and you're minutes away from a hot homemade meal. What I love the most are the built-in programs. Most cooking blenders have preset functions for soups, sauces, even smoothies, so it's basically fail-proof. You get consistent results every time. And best of all, it's self-cleaning. When you're done, just add a drop of dish soap and some water, hit the clean cycle, and it basically washes itself. I also like the versatility. I use mine for everything: hot soups, cold smoothies, nut butters. I even could have made homemade baby food back in the day. One appliance, so many uses. If you're curious, I actually have a few different brands of cooking blenders all linked in my Amazon storefront. Trust me, once you try a cooking blender, you'll never go back to stovetop soups. And there you have it, homemade tomato and basil soup. Minimal dishes, maximum flavor, and ready in under 30 minutes. If you try this, tag me and show off your creations. Bonus points for creative toppings. If you love this recipe, hit like and subscribe so you never miss a meal. Drop your favorite soup add-ins in the comments. I love seeing your twists. Stay hungry, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.